Good evening, guys, from China's beautiful capital, Beijing, once more. But this is also going to be my last trip of 2017, and today I'll be flying to Prague on Hainan Airlines Airbus 330. I've reviewed them earlier this year, the Dreamliner. You can see the video up here, and as you know, Hainan is considered a five-star airline, so we're going to put them on a test today and let's see what their business class product is really like. I'm going to go, after this, I'm going to go to their lounge, which is really nice. I've covered this 2 weeks ago when I flew Hong Kong Airlines, so that's really a really nice lounge. And then we'll get on the flight and give you a comprehensive review of their business class product and see what it's like. I also wanted to say thank you for following me and for all the likes and all the comments and all the love this year. It's been a great year. Next year is going to be even better. I'm going to have lots of nice trips lined up. And yeah, thank you so much for your support. I wish you a happy new year, and please stay with me also in 2018. So let's go to the lounge.
So what you can see here is an invitation to Hainan Airlines' very own lounge here at Terminal 2 at Beijing International Airport, and this is where all their international flights depart. And as I said in my previous reports, I think Hainan Airlines lounge here at Terminal 2 is probably one of the best lounge you can find at any international airport in China. They have a great food selection. I had some beef noodle soup, which was delicious. Got a couple of coffee machines, as you can see here, and beverages. There are also a few other things this lounge features. For example, this business center here, which comes actually with a printer and internet access. And what I also really like is the seating, which is kept in a very private manner, which offers you a lot of privacy, and so you don't get bothered and you don't bother others. If you happen to need a little bit of rest, the lounge also offers those massage armchairs and 2 more cabanas where you can have a little rest or nap if you wish to.
So here I'm inside the HNA Club at Terminal 2. This is Hainan's Airlines very own lounge. It opened just recently, like 4 months ago, and like as I said a few weeks ago, this is probably the best lounge in the entire country. Like in China, you won't find any better lounge than this one. It's brand new, has great facilities. You have those cabanas where you can have a nice nap. You got a business center right here, as you can see. Food selection is pretty good, pretty decent. Yeah, it's a really good lounge. So, but my question is, what is your favorite lounge? What is your all-time favorite airline lounge? I mean, I like the Pier in Hong Kong. It's really nice. The one of Cathay Pacific, the first class lounge, is really amazing. That's probably the best lounge I've ever been to. And Istanbul Turkish Airline lounge is also pretty good. What do you think? What's your favorite lounge? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Alright, there she is, Hainan Airlines Airbus 330. Yeah, just getting ready. We're boarding in like 10 minutes, but since this is my last flight review of 2017, I want to know, where can I improve? What do you want to see in my videos next year? What do you want me to include? What do you like? What do you don't like? So it would be really nice if you give me a little bit of feedback, which would be much appreciated. So, alright, let's go to Prague.
So if you happen to fly on Hainan Airlines between Europe and China, you will be flying on an Airbus 330, as you can see here. But the airline at the moment is refurbishing all their Airbuses, which means they will come in a reversed herringbone configuration, which offers, of course, more privacy. So the seat, which you can see here, which comes in a 1-2-1 configuration, is their older product. So what I really like about Hainan Airline is they feature a sky chef and also international crews, so communication won't be a problem, as you probably know it from other Chinese airlines such as Air China or China Eastern. So shortly after takeoff, the crew was handing out those Amenity Kits, and they are great. I mean, look at those bags. They're really like high quality, and that is something that really makes a difference on many other Chinese airlines. The little details they pay a lot of attention to, and as you can see, it comes with the basic amenities such as a toothbrush, socks, earbuds, a comb, and Bulgari amenities. And of course, on top of that, you get some slippers and pajamas. So right after takeoff, the meal service would start, and it was super efficient. And what I really like about Hainan Airlines, you know that you get something really good to eat. So I went for the express meal because I was very tired and I want to get some sleep. So I went for the chicken, which came with a bit of mushroom and a salad, which was really delicious and fresh. And which I also really like is that little bread basket you get with all your meals. So I think this is a really, really cool feature. And as a dessert, I got a cappuccino, which actually really tasted like a cappuccino, and some ice cream, which was really delicious. So the screen in front of you is fairly average sized, as you can see, and you also get those pajamas, which are very comfy. However, they only come in one color, pink, if you don't mind. Also on top of that, you get your noise cancelling headphones from Bose, which are really good in quality. The sound quality was great. I also showed you the Amenity Kit, which I featured just a minute ago, and yeah, and this is the only power supply of your entire seat, since you don't have any USB slots to charge your phones or other devices. Here are your seat controls, which are really straightforward, and your remote control, which helps you to operate the screen in front of you. The only thing I didn't like was the lack of storage space, as you can see, and on top of that you have this foldable table. There you go, you got those beautiful pajamas. We're going to try them on. Oh, look at this, don't you like the color? Lovely. So I decided to get up 2 hours prior arrival in Prague, and I started with an orange juice and a coffee, which once again tasted like real coffee. And then the breakfast arrived, which was amazing. It was really delicious, it was fresh, and it actually tasted like a really good omelette. This is something you don't get on many airlines, which I really appreciate about Hainan Airlines. Their food is truly 5-star, and this is something I really, really like. And the entertainment system of Hainan Airlines isn't really that good. It lacks a bit of choice. I mean, you have a few movies, a handful, let me tell you, but it is not as good as I know it from other 5-star carriers such as Qatar, Emirates, Etihad, Singapore, However, I think there is a lot of room for improvement for the Haikou-based airline, which I hope they're going to change in the near future. So overall, I can tell you that Hainan Airlines is the best airline in China, without a doubt. That is for sure. I mean, their food was great. It was very delicious. I was very impressed. The service was outstanding. And I mean, their seats are improving. Early this year, I traveled on their new Dreamliner on their new cabin, which was very comfortable, and it was definitely a great seat with a lot of privacy. So I can recommend Hainan Airlines without a doubt. If you travel from or to China, I would probably always fly with Hainan Airlines.